Lusaka Magistrate Court delayed proceedings to October 2025, citing procedural hiccups. Translation, someone forgot the script. For the UPND, it's a win. More time to discredit Membe before the 2026 elections. For Membe, it's branding gold because nothing says I speak truth to power like standing trial in the same court that once closed your newspaper and arrested your staff during lunch.
Okay, today Dr. Fred Membe appeared before the Magistrate Court. This is in relation to the offence of seditious practices. Unfortunately, the state is not ready to proceed. We are ready to proceed, and the matter has been adjourned to 1st October 2025 for continuation of trial. Maybe to give you a refresher, this is in relation to an article which was published on his Facebook post on 16th July 2024, which had to do with the bragging by the president of DRC that he's bought Zambia's silence using $20 million. So for that, he's been charged with the offense of seditious practice and I'll keep you posted on the other happenings that will follow.